Hey, do you want to learn how to use Recreate in Pikzels AI? With this feature, you can recreate any YouTube thumbnail with AI. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Next up, let's try out the Recreate feature. It's very simple. You just need to link to a thumbnail or a YouTube video or upload that thumbnail over here. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's go over here on YouTube and search for Mr. Beast. So let's say I want to recreate this thumbnail. Let's go inside it. Now in order to import that thumbnail to Pikzels, you can do it in two ways. You can either just select this on the top, the URL, take it over here in Pikzels and put the link like this. Or you can go here, back to the video, and on the left hand side, I've got this vidIQ extension. You can download it from Chrome. You just need to search for vidIQ Chrome extension on Google and it's going to take you here. Just click on install Chrome extension. That's going to take you over to chromewebstore.google.com. And over here, I've already added it to my Chrome. You just need to click here and it's going to add it to your Chrome browser. Now refresh your YouTube page. Then it's going to be here on the right hand side. So just click here to do a drop down. And now you can download this thumbnail from here very easily. You just need to click on this download thumbnail to download it to your computer. There's also personas that we are going to look next. To face swap our face on top of that thumbnail. But I'm going to ignore this for now. Going to do it later on. Let's just generate it and recreate our thumbnail. All right, this is what it has recreated based on this thumbnail. And now you can edit by clicking over here to edit something inside this thumbnail. For example, I can click here and use this rectangle selection, or you can also use this brush selection tool. Then draw over like this, click and drag to draw this rectangle. And then on the bottom in this prompt bar, I'm going to say add a creature in these quotation marks. And then click on generate. It's going to take in 10 credits. All right, this is what it has added and it looks great. I was thinking that it's going to add it at the back of this person and it was successful before, but this time it just added like this. Also looks fine. So I'm going to click here on face swap and now this time I'm going to use the rectangle again and click and drag to include his face. I will use personas here. You can create your own persona by clicking here and you need to add your persona's name and then you need to upload at least 10 images of your persona. You just need 10 images in different angles. Take your iPhone or a high quality camera and take at least 10 images. Then upload it here. These are the formats it accepts and then click on generate. It's going to take in 200 credits. And once done, you'll find it over here in private. Click here to select it, then click on generate. It's going to take in 5 credits. All right, it has now face swapped our face on this thumbnail and it looks great. You can see here, drag and drop this thumbnail here. Select a face. So just select the face part and click on personas on the bottom and select your persona that you have created on Pikzels. So I'm going to click here on SB1 and click on generate, which is going to take in 5 credits. And there you go. We have now face swapped our face on this thumbnail and it looks great. If you want to modify it or make some changes to it, you just need to click here to edit it and draw over what you need changed. For example, I want to draw an airplane and type on the bottom in the prompt field. Let's click on generate and it's going to take in 10 credits. And there you go. You can see that it has now added an airplane in our thumbnail, which looks really nice. And just like this, you can add a title and more to your thumbnail.